approach the Love Month, Showbiz Central exclusively brings you the special moments of Richard Gutierrez and Casey Concepcion sa pinakaabangang Valentine's movie nila na When I Met You. At ngayong almost 1 month pa till Valentine's, sundan natin ang latest preparation ng dalawa for their new movie from GMA Films. This week, non-stop ang shooting ni Richard at Casey sa Subic, Zambales, and last Thursday, binisita sila ng Showbiz Central right on location.
Okay naman, for the past few days, maganda yung mga nakunang eksena. Today, a mix of comedy tsaka romance. So, visually maganda yung pelikula. Di ba?
Oo nga po. Oo nga, no? Oo, actually, ang ganda nung kinuna naming mga plane scenes. First time ko sa isang seaplane.
Yesterday afternoon naman, sabay na nag-recording ng movie theme song sina Richard and Casey.
Case, kamusta yung recording?
Naghihintay ako kanina pa eh. Kanta ka ng kanta dyan.
Kamusta yung recording?
Tagal mo mag-record eh.
I got carried away.
Pero nag-practice ka.
Siyempre.
Nag-practice ka.
Kawawa ako sa kanya pag hindi ako nag-practice. Ang ganda ng boses.
Oh, yes. Thank
Napansin
you.
niyo yung boses ni Casey? Very soothing.
Yeah. Very gentleman. Ano yan? Leading man na leading man. Thank you. Dream kasi ni Chard. Matagal na yung gustong mag-record ng theme song. Eh ngayon nagkataon.
Talagang dream ko na nakumanta. Pero yung kanta, hindi ako dream. So, may konting conflict doon. Dito namin naayusin yan. Magkaka one-on-one kami ng kantahan dito.
Seryoso?
And that night, dumiretso naman ang dalawa for their first ever press con for their movie, kung saan pinagkaguluhan sila.
This Valentine's Day, masasabing hindi kayo nalabas na dalawa kasi you have each other. Pwede sabihin yun.
Yeah, we have each other. And Casey's special to me. And,
Matatag po yung friendship namin. Sobrang strong po ng foundation namin ni Chard. Actually, no?
Pwede na kayo pakasal.
tried and tested na yung samahan.
Tried and tested.
And just this morning, Chard and Casey are all set to leave for Palawan, kung saan magsushoot sila ng major kilig movie moments sa mga beautiful locations doon. Next week, stay tuned for more updates as we continue our countdown to Valentine's with Richard and Casey's When I Met You.